How to increase brown adipose tissue. Brown adipose tissue is a type of fat that burns calories and helps to regulate body temperature. Brown adipose tissue is found in the neck, upper chest, around the spine. It also surrounds the heart, kidneys, other organs. Brown fat cells are packed with mitochondria which produce heat by burning calories. Aging, genetic predisposition, and obesity can all lead to a loss of brown fat. Autophagy is the process through which cells degrade and recycle their own components for reuse, usually in times of scarcity. Autophagic cells can survive longer periods without food because they can take advantage of the energy stores found in their damaged organelles and internal membranes. This process is known as mitophagy. In healthy people with no risk factors for diabetes or cardiovascular disease, healthy levels of insulin and glucose make up a relatively even balance. However, people with diabetes often have an excess of insulin and a blood glucose deficiency. As levels of blood sugar increase, the pancreas secretes more insulin to handle it. In response to this high level of circulating insulin, cells start making less and less glucose, but they can't stop the production completely because there's no place for it to go. Brown adipose tissue is a type of fat that burns calories and turns white fat into brown fat. It is found in the neck, upper chest, around the heart. Brown adipose tissue can be activated by cold temperatures or by certain hormones such as norepinephrine. The Harvard Medical School has published an article on how to turn white fat into brown fat naturally. The article suggests that you should eat more protein, drink more water, and exercise regularly to activate your brown adipose tissue. White fat is made of adipocytes, the cells that store energy. These cells have a large number of long branches, called processes that extend from the cell membrane and get in contact with surrounding tissues. In white fat, these processes are mainly composed of triglycerides and proteins. White fat stores excess calories in these lipid droplets over long periods of time. Brown fat is also made of adipocytes, but it has a smaller number of processes with small lipid droplets, which contain mostly mitochondria. In brown fat, these processes release heat and give off a faint, cooked meaty aroma that is typically not detectable in white fat.